Once upon a time, there was a great warrior who desired to win the battle. He knows that they are outnumbered. His soldiers are lesser than to his enemies. So he loaded his shoulder to the boat and sailed to the enemies. Okay, he unloaded the soldiers, unload the equipments, and he told his soldiers before they start to have a war. You see that boat, light that boat and burn that boat. Okay, now you see that boat in smoke. That means we cannot go home anymore. We win or we perish. So, long story short, they won. Napoleon Hill says that when every human being has a burning desire, and if this human being need to burn anything that bridging him or anything that making obstacles or anything, he just like a horse looking forward, burning that ship. So he cannot, he don't have anything on his mind to go back home, will win in life. Wow! Hopefully we learned something today. See you next time.